What's the leading cause of injury and fatality crashes when a large truck is involved? When another vehicle enters into the large truck's lane. This accounts for approximately 33% of all large truck-related injury crashes and 36% of all fatality crashes each year. Spoiler alert, 83% of fatalities were not occupants of the large truck. Be sure to drive defensively. Watch for other trucks and vehicles and constantly scan your mirrors. Keeping a good lookout also helps prevent lane encroachment. Learn how we can help at www.mysafetymanager.com.